devil lives under the sea, takes men from their families, children run into the waves, come to visit daddy's grave. There's a creature down below, switch on skin on tar and snow. One day all will fall from land, rain and skids and skating sideward. Fathers, can you hear us sing? Only you know what we think. Face the curse on this poor town, all the fishing children drown, drifting slowly from the bay, running water, fleshy grey. Little boy was feeling sad, he lost most everything he had. Pocket knife, he made some kills, dug beneath the silence when he said, "Fathers, can you hear us sing? Only you can set us free." Hey, 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 hey. Opposed and been my clothes, and from his jointed points would grow. Oh, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa. He decomposed and been my clothes with broken bones for oars. He takes around the ocean floor. Oh, he said if I could kill the face, then see the village pay relations. But he went old golden heart, never tried the empty drop. His inside slowly gentrified. Haunted claws and prosper eyes, never record to be seen. Forever beneath the ocean's screen, he said, "Fathers, can you hear us sing? Only you can what I see." The devil lives under the sea, takes them from their families, children run into the waves, come to visit daddy's grave. Well, fathers, can you hear us sing? Only you can set us free. Thank you. Have a good night.